May 14th, about 2:55 p.m. Looking at 83 Cranford Gardens, southeast. The stucco guys are just finishing off here. Garbage bin out front. Driveway slab is in, and we can't see all of it. They've got some tarps and whatnot over top. Front curb looks not bad. Right side appears okay. Coming down the right meter stack there for electrical vents, all quite low. And I'm just looking at this, that I would say we're kind of done.